this is the typical situation that you will find whenever there is a Black Friday in a retail enterprise. The marketeers are cheering, and they are coming up with discounts and everything. The DBA is out there running away. The entire IT team is after him to make sure that the database is up and running. That's what happens to the DBAs on a Black Friday, typically, I would say. But then, what can we do about it? So let's get into some slight details. This is a little deeper slide, but let me walk you through it. If the DBA is working on configuring two parameters, let's say max workers per gather and random page cost, if he's trying to configure those two parameters in itself, he will have a plethora of combinations. Let's say the best choice would be, this is the log scale on the y-axis, just so that you understand that the order of magnitude of performance improvement is typically goes up by X number of times to the power. Now, the best place for the DBA would be the deep blue area, whereas the worst case would be the yellowish area. So let's say if he is trying to work with two max parallel workers per gather, he would typically move up the straight line where he will try to find out the best point. He may be lucky, he may not be lucky. Now, imagine a situation where a DBA is trying to work and trying to configure the database and going in a sequential basis, one parameter after the other and one parameter after the other. That is not an efficient process, and that will definitely, if the workload changes, typically the configuration changes. So if you have, let's say, 500 instances of Postgres running in your environment, one configuration might not be the right fit for the other. You might get lucky once, but you will not get lucky 600 times. That's exactly what we're trying to solve. Now, two outcomes to it. Don't make the DBAs run for their life, one, and save some dollars. And that's where dbtune comes in. Effectively move from chaos to calm. Let the DBAs do their job well, but you can get dbtune to actually work out the job that the DBA will not have to speculate and try to figure out. That's what dbtune does for it. Behind the box, okay, there's a small lightweight agent, maybe 20 lines of code, which you can just read through. That's what gathers the metrics, checks it, fits it with the right workload, sends the details back to the config file. You would want it to execute it, it will do it. If you don't want it to execute, feel free. That can be configured. But at the end of the day, you still let the DBAs live in a calm environment. Couple of proof points about the dollars saved. In RDS MX, M5 2X situation, it could achieve almost 2X transaction performance. Now that's a very significant amount of money. So you have two benefits. One, a Buddha DBA, and you save some dollars. Thank you.